Do you have a broken iPad with cracked screen? It is an authorized Apple iPad repair service store. Need to quick fix the cracked screen iPad? Hire professionals to make the repairing faster. Visit your nearby iTech Xpress store. It is an authorized Apple iPad repair service store in Covina. Their expert and experienced iPad repair technicians offer factory-grade repair solutions for broken device. They always provide free estimation of screen replacement costs after a through device diagnosis. Their motto is to return back your iPad in proper working condition within the same day. They have a great inventory of spare parts and always use the best quality, genuine spares for replacement. Even their guaranteed iPad screen repair service is available at affordable prices. So, what's next? Schedule an appointment there by dialing 626-777-4747. Do you want to know more about their repairing service? Browse through https://itechexpressinc.com.